age when gods walked among men. There rose a city unlike any other, Asian. Its towers pierced the heavens, and its people no longer whispered prayers. Betrayal was written in the stars. Brother turned against brother. The gods fought.
I created this awesome trailer for my other channel using just AI. This AI tool can animate as well as auto-generate the sound for my videos. With this secret AI tool, you can create jaw-dropping animated videos in minutes and can start earning from your content like never before. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create jaw-dropping animations using Pixverse, step by step. Whether you're a content creator, filmmaker, or just someone with a story to tell, this tool will blow your mind. So let's learn how to make epic animated stories using Pixverse. Firstly, we'll generate the story and image generation prompt for our video with ChatGPT. As you can see, you have the image generation prompt and the voiceover for the story. Next up, we'll head over to Creo AI to generate our image. Just click on Flux, select the aspect ratio, paste the prompt, and just hit generate. After a while, your AI images will be generated and you can choose the best one for you. For me, I really like this one, so I'll download it. Now we'll head over to Pixverse and give animation to our image. Just click on Image or Text tab in the bottom and select your desired image. After uploading, just type your animation prompt. You can also add a negative prompt if you want. You can select the duration from the watch icon. Right next to it is the resolution setting. I'll select 1080p for now. You can also add various effects, transitions, and other features that we'll check out. Here you can play with camera settings like adding zoom in or panning to your animation. Now we'll just hit on Create button and it will cost you about 120 credits. After a while, your image will be converted into a seamless animation. And as you can see, the animation looks flawless. Like with just a small prompt, you can create anything you want. As you can see, the animation looks stunning. With just a short prompt, you can generate such amazing animations. Now we'll try out the transition feature. As you can see, we have two images and I'll animate both of these with the help of the transition feature. Just click on the transition tab and here you just have to select the first and the last frame. I'll select both of the images. And after selecting the images, I'll type what kind of animation I want. Now just hit on Create and your transition animation will be created. As you can see, the animation and the transition is seamless. Now I'll animate the water in this image and also use the inbuilt sound feature. The animation looks solid. Now let's add the sound. For that, we'll head up to the sound tab and upload our video. After uploading our video, I'll explain what kind of sound I want. And then just hit create, and after a while you'll have your desired sound sync to your video. I animated this video using an image and now I'll use the speech feature to lip sync voiceover in this animation. For the voiceover I used 11 labs and now I'll just upload the video. You can also upload using the asset folder that will show you your animation made in Pixverse. Now I'll just upload the audio onto Pixverse. Let's play it.
In an age when gods walked among men. In an age when gods walked among men.
As you can see, the animation as well as the lip sync is really good. Now I'll show you the video extend feature. Just head up to the extend tab and select the video that you want to extend. I'll select this one. After that, I'll just select the duration and the resolution of the video. Now to extend the video, you can write another prompt or just add a camera movement and hit on the create button. Now as you can see, this video has been extended from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. This feature is awesome for the people who make animated long-form videos.
In an age when gods walked among men. There rose a city unlike any other, Asian. Its towers pierced the heavens, and its people no longer whispered prayers. Betrayal was written in the stars. Brother turned against brother. The gods fought. And the city fell beneath the tides. And in the end, only destruction remained.
And that's it. You just made an AI-powered animated story with Pixverse. If you want to create these movies for yourself, you can check out Pixverse with the link in the description. This is the pricing of Pixverse. You can start using it right now for free with 60 credits and a watermark. Or you can check out the other plans through the link in description. You can also purchase separate credit packs if you want, which is really convenient. If you made it this far, consider subscribing, and if you want to know how to generate free AI avatars, click on this video and I'll see you there.